Bye.
What's up, guys? It's Brianka Lachey and I'm back with another video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you all how I install and construct my units. My hair is from my own line, bribythebundle on Instagram or bribythebundle.com. And if you're interested in seeing that, just keep on watching. Okay, so right here, what I'm basically doing is creating an outline for where I'm going to lay my wefts at on the cap. So wherever I put a line at is where I'm going to sew some tracks at with my sewing machine. This is how it looks when it is completed. And right here is where I am doubling the wefts and getting ready to sew it on the cap. Also, I just wanted to mention that throughout this video, it isn't going to be like a tutorial. It's more so of me showing you what I do. Okay, guys, so the wig is complete. This is the wig. Frontal unit. Let me turn it inside out so you can see the stitcher. So this is after I sewed the bundles onto the cap. See that? Neat. And then the lace is there. Okay, so the first thing I do after that is apply my bald cap, put makeup on it, glue it down, and just cut it off. Next, I like to put the foundation that I used on my bald cap that matches my complexion into my wig on the lace, so the lace matches my skin complexion perfectly. And right now I'm just putting on a wig, making sure, you know, the part is where I want it to lay and it's sitting on my head flat and correctly. So I like to work in sections. So right here you'll see me cutting the lace in 3 sections. I'm going to glue each section down individually. So I'm going to put glue down, let it dry, put glue down, let it dry, and then, you know, lay the lace on it. And I'm going to do about 2 to 3 layers. And I am using the Boho Active. So after I finish laying down my layers of glue, I just take the lace and press it into my skin with my comb so it can be completely melted into my skin. And I'm just using the blow dryer to make sure it's completely dry and like pressed in there. So everything that you see me do to the first section of lace that I cut, I'm going to do that to the middle and the other side. After all of the lace is pressed into my skin, I just use an elastic band to melt it. And then I just use the blow dryer after that so that it can dry faster. Now it's time to cut the lace. After I remove the elastic band, I'm going to cut the lace gently and patiently. Like, I'm going to take my time cutting this lace. This is an important step in getting your lace to look right. When you cut the lace, you don't want to cut like straight across because it's going to give you that shape up effect. You want to cut it in like a rigid motion. So if you can see, like if you zoom in, you probably can see my hands going up and down, in and out around each hair around the hairline. That's going to create a more realistic look. And I'm just going to do that across the whole hairline and remove all of that lace. And any piece that I feel like is sticking up, I'm just going to take a little bit of glue and put it on the comb and press it back down. I just want to say, if you made it this far in the video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'm trying to build my subscribers, period. You know you need these classes. You need these lessons. Or if it's not you, it's one of your friends. Send it to them. Thanks. So after I pull out the hair where I want the baby hair to lay, I just take my pressing comb and just press it straight down so that it's easier to lay flat when I am using like the edge mousse to create the baby hair. And then I like to lay the band back on top so that it lays flatter and it's just easier to swoop the hair. Like, I'm telling you, this just helps. I don't know. Okay, so after I finish like blow drying them down, I'm just going to cut the baby hairs so I can swoop them. To lay my baby hairs, I'm going to use the She Is Bomb mousse and a double-sided like toothbrush comb from the beauty supply. And honestly, this part is what takes me the longest. Like, swooping the baby hairs takes forever because you don't want them to look like too thick, too thin, too long. You want it to look like realistic and to blend into like the hair. You don't just want them sitting on your forehead, your eyebrows, baby girl. You gotta fix that. Okay, so this is what I'm working with right now. I'm so sad that this light is like crazy. This little piece that y'all see is just a piece of hair that's stuck. And this line is from my head scarf. But yeah. This is what we're looking like right now. And when I come back, I'm going to brush out the baby hairs and I'm going to let down the curl. Okay, one good look like. Do y'all see this lace? So this is what we're looking like. Come on now. And this is not even a finished product. Like, I'm still about to lay it down and all that. Stop playing so much. I'm gonna need y'all to shop Bree by the Bundle. Or at least get your hair done. Bree by the Bundle on Instagram. Shoot me a DM, girl. Okay guys, I'm back. This is the finishing look. I just took the clips out of my hair. So that was that. And then after I did that, I just brushed through the curls and used like my pressing comb to repress things that I felt like was a little frizzy. But yeah, I hope you all like it. I love it. It's just little layers and a little pop of color. And when it drops, it's gonna be really pretty. And then what am I say? And then, but yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope you guys like this video. If you'd like to see more things like this, just be sure to leave a comment in the comment box. And this hair and lace is from Brie by the Bundle, if I haven't already said it. What else? Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We're on our way to 500 subscribers. So be sure that you all subscribe to my channel for more videos. And yeah, I hope you guys like it. I'll see you soon.